so we're getting started here on a new project. Technically a new old project. So this is the first three-wheeler that we pulled out of the field. And then I took it out for pheasant hunt weekend, the second weekend in November, and decided that it started smoking a little too much. So this three-wheeler is going to get a very custom treatment. There is a YouTube channel, and it's Bigfoot Bikes and Brews, and he and his father have built a couple of these little ATC 110 or ATC 90s to where they cut the back half of them off here and then use another 110 front fork to build a swing arm with a jack shaft, and they use the original motors and they make it a single rear wheel, so it turns it into a really fat tire dirt bike. So if you're interested in seeing like a well done, well put together video on how to do this, that's your guy. But I'm going to go ahead and build one for myself out of this one. I have two new tires, I've got two new tubes, and I've got another fork sitting outside that I'm gonna go grab, and we're gonna start doing some measuring, and then we're gonna do some cutting.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, yeah. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless.
Now we're gonna cut it. All right, it's cut off. Now let's mock up that tire and see what happens. All right, looks pretty good for the mock-up. Looks like I cut that line pretty close to what it needs to be. The tire's naturally gonna be back, and there's gonna be more space between here for spring travel. If I decided to do that, which I might as well build it as an actual swing arm, and then when the time comes, I can switch this front end over to a 185S front end with the suspension. And then I could have full suspension. I think that might be what I'm gonna do. So here we go. All right, we've welded the 1/2-inch bar stock in. It's welded on both sides. I'm certainly not stacking dimes, but it's gonna hold it. That one's a little boogery. That one's a little better. Now we're gonna let this cool, so it's bolted here and it's still welded up here. Once this cools, it won't have a chance to warp. And then once it's cold, I'll cut it off here, cap the ends of these, and that'll be the front part of my swing arm. So we'll get that done. And then we've got that. We gotta start making find some steel. We're gonna Trim the bottom of here off even with the other side. This is factory like this, so we're gonna cut this off here along that line. And then we're gonna find some way to box this in. And that Bikes and Beards channel, no, not Bikes and Beards, Bigfoot, he cuts a hole out of the middle here in order to gain access to the backside where his jackshaft bearings are. So I'll have to find something to stick in there. We'll cut that hole out, and that'll be one of my next steps. But so far, mocking up the swing arm here. So we'll definitely have to build a jack shaft to come from over here, bring the chain to here, and then bring it out to the edge. So that way I can run the chain to the wheel, but that's gonna look real nice. I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab that other wheel and put the wheel on the front, so that way I can kind of guesstimate what it's gonna look like. Starting with the jack shaft. I had to triangulate from these nubbins here down to here on both sides. Make sure that I had it straight. All right, here's day 3. Everything's stacked up. Jack shaft works. The swing arm works. Suspension is temporary, but it is sitting on its own suspension. The only thing doing is holding one side up with the jack because I don't have a kickstand for it. I gotta get the tubes put in the tires and get air in them, but that's it for now.
Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I won't obey. You cannot tell me what I cannot say. I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day. You can't take that away, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life.
pretty fucking rad. It rode. Don't forget to like and subscribe.